2012 Honda Fit. Blower motor don't work. No air comes out when you turn it on to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. No air comes out. You can hear the compressor kick in, but no air comes out. So we already diagnosed it. It's the blower motor because obviously it's not kicking on. That's what you're gonna go buy first, or the fuse. So here's the original one. Sometimes if you tap it, it'll work. If you tap it, watch. Wait, guys. If you tap it, it'll work. It's like a starter, you know. Here, watch. You see how it wants to move? Look. Okay, look. It's like a starter, so it's still good. We just gotta clean it up, but open it up and clean it. But we'll save it for another car, another Honda. Okay, look, it's dust stuck in there. That's how there is. So you can use the same one, take it out and just tap it, clean it out a little bit on the floor. Tap out the dust. Because you remove this bolt here and you push out the what do you call it? See, look. You pull out this shield comes out. This one. There you go. Look. But if you don't want to deal with repairing it, even though it is repairable, you just gotta clean out the inside, air blow it and everything. We bought a new one for $55. So there you have it. We're gonna go ahead and put it in. Very easy to access. 1, 2, then 3. You want to move away from the blower so it doesn't hit your face, all the dust that comes out. And there you have it. Nice and cold. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.